Hello, this is Irene with SaugaTalks. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for taking time from your busy morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. If you're watching us on LinkedIn, please follow us. Follow us, comment, like, make sure that your network is familiar with what you're talking about here because this is a fascinating and very rewarding experience for myself. And I hope for my guests, and I hope for everyone who is really part of this community. So if it's LinkedIn, X, YouTube, or wherever. Maybe you're listening to us as a podcast on major podcasting platforms. So please spread the knowledge, spread the good word around. Because again, the leaders, the business entrepreneurs, tech entrepreneurs, influencers, architects, practitioners I'm speaking with here, really sharing their time and their wisdom. So let's make sure people hear about us, and let's make sure that you're really part of this community, contributing, making your opinion known. So today, I'm extremely privileged. Chandresh Desai is with me. Chandresh, how are you?
I'm good, Aaron. How are you?
I'm doing incredibly well because you know what? Cloud strategies and cloud optimization has been on my mind for a number of months now, and that's, I guess, it's not a surprise to you because you're an expert, you're a leader in the platforms, in strategies, and actually you're a practitioner yourself. So why don't you, Chandresh, start with trends, the trends that in technology and business that driving cloud optimization today.
Yeah, so the cloud optimization is like a great topic nowadays. Many people are like talking about the cloud optimization, cloud cost management. So right now, if you can see the Gartner's trend, so there are like a few, like 2 years back, there was like a $491 billion. There was a cloud spend, and this year they are predicting it close to $600 billion this year, and by 2025 it could be goes to the $1 trillion cloud spend. So I believe cloud is emerging market, and many customers and many peoples are like corporation enterprise, they are moving from on premise to the cloud now. And I believe if the everybody is moving to the cloud, then cloud cost optimization is like the biggest challenges for that one. And cloud cost optimization is just not for getting the saving the cost in the cloud, but it's also saving the resources, like a proper utilization there, and how we can get like most cloud cost value out of your that business. So this is the one of the trending topics nowadays in the cloud, and this is the one of the biggest good point as well. Like if you can reduce the cost using different cloud cost optimization technique. And the FinOps, it's one of the non-profit organization is also has like many techniques they are supporting. And I'm already FinOps practitioner, and implementing cloud cost optimization techniques, and getting the getting the better business outcome and values there.
Beautiful. Chandresh, can you share with us some examples maybe of successful cloud optimization strategies that led to significant improvements?
Yes, so I can definitely share all this information. So there are like a few examples there. Let's say if you have cloud resources spin up into that EC2 instances, or if you have resources in like a containerization there, or if you use the cloud techniques like during the migration you use like a lift and shift. So if you have EC2 instances there, I believe like if you can use uh, cost optimization technique in terms of how to use as a commitment based discount, you can use there are like multiple techniques to utilization your rate in terms of saving plans or reserve instances. You can also check your resources efficiency and the metrics, and based on those techniques you can definitely save your cost, and it will be definitely help you to the billing in like a monthly basis. And this is kind of low hanging fruits there. And if you are using like a Kubernetes, for example, as a containerized orchestration engine, and then there are options to choose as a like spot instances underlying host, and it will be give you the biggest cost saving, like 80% cost saving in your resources. So those kind of things we can definitely implement as a like low hanging fruits, and then we can go with the step by step as a so let's say once you already implemented the first as a crawl step, for example, in FinOps, to low hanging fruit to reduce the cost, and then you can go for the walk step, and check the like right sizing. So few of the instances, EC2 instances, is like not utilized properly, then you can reduce the instance size there. And few of the instances like are utilized, then you can definitely check your performance, because if your utilization rate is really high, then your performance of the application will be goes down. So those kind of checks you can definitely keep checking in your daily day-to-day job activities, because those things help you a lot of in your cost saving, like performance benefits, and like proper utilization in your applications. Yeah.